Never spend your time again while you are rewriting the sum statement which is already in your Word document. While use a copy and paste command to save your time and develop professional document in just few minutes. So let me show you in this video how you can use copy and paste command to save your time and develop professional document. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, suppose I have this presentation one. This is presentation one, but I want to create another presentation, second presentation here, right? But instead of rewriting this presentation, secret diabetes prediction system 2, instead of doing that, I can just copy this one, just select it and come and click on copy here, and then come and paste it here. I just need to put cursor here and come and click on this paste icon here, right? Or just click here. Do you see? It's now already pasted. Then I can change here system 2 instead of just rewriting all of this sentence. Also, for example, I can also come and select this because it's just my personal details. Click on copy and then come here, click on paste. Use this icon, you click paste here. Do you see? You can just develop your document in just few seconds as possible. So thank you. See you in the next lesson.